From title contenders to title winners, from every scar carried through the years, for every anthem sung through rain and heartbreak, for every child who wore red and believed before the world did, this was for you. Here we go, the title is finally at home, where it rightfully belongs. The doubters spoke both proudly and loudly. They called us the bridal team. Too young, too fragile, too soft, no hunger for titles. Inexperienced players, inexperienced coach, not ready. We trusted the process. 22 years of waiting is over. The thirst for winning the title is over. The name bucklers is over. Netflix FC is over. We are champions of England. We do trust the process. We were mocked. We were written off. We were slaughtered. We were loved. While we were building an unbreakable wall, we rose like a tidal wave. This season was more than one shining crown. The mighty Gunners would not slow down. To the EFL Cup final they proudly came, lighting Wembley with Arsenal flame. The FA Cup journey marched with thunderous might, till quarter-final battles shocked the night, and Europe watched with fearful awe, as Arsenal gave the world one more row. Now Budapest waits beneath the stars, for a final written in football scars. The UEFA Champions League finally calls the name, one final step in immortal fame. From London street to Hangar light, the red cannon marches into the fight. Arteta stands folded hands, leading believers across the land. The Emirates sing with the tears and pride, for every Ghana who never hit. 22 years of painful pain and prayer, now glory dances North London A. The writing is on the wall. The world now knows the truth, that hard-working, patience, passion, faith and fire can lift a club forever higher. So sing it loud from pub to street. Feel everything pounding Arsenal heartbeat. For the kings in red have risen again. The Gunners of London now reign supreme. We are champions. We are corner kicks record breakers. Club record for most wins in a season. Defensive dominance. Set piece supremacy. We have 3 Gabriels. We have 2 Christians. We have the youngest EPL debutant, scorer and medal winner, Max Stoneman. Youngest Champions League player ever. We are managed by our own former captain. We are Gunners of London. We trust the process. Mikel Arteta, Amos Strain, the professor. Gabriel Ivan Haynes, Nicolas Jova, the set-piece master. David Raya Martin, Mr. Clean Sheet, the whole. Kepa Arrizabalaga, set foot. Benjamin White, William Allen, Andre Gabriel Saliba, the whole. Prince William, Gabriel Dos Santos Macales, Big Capi, Gabriel Teodoro Martinelli Silva, Gabriel Fernando Di Jesus, Christian Andre Mosquera, The Rock, Christian Nonicat, Julian David Norman Timber, Miles Lewis Skelly, Ricardo Ricky Calafiori, Declan Tech Rice, Martin Odegaard, the maestro, Martin Zubimendi Ibanez, Mikel Merino Zazon, the fighter, Max Stoneman, the wonder kid, Eberechi Oluch Ebbs Eze, Victor Eina Yokores, Kai Lucas King, Kai Havertz, Chukwunonso Tristan Noni Matueke, Piero Martin Hincape, Reina the Lion, Bukayo Ayoinka, Temi Tayo Saka, Liki Chili, Starboy. We are Arsenal, Kingdom of Endete. Once more, the streets of North London will not sleep. They tremble with the memory, with the tears, with the fire. England belongs to Arsenal. You can hear the heartbeat of a club that never stopped believing. Come on, you Gunners. The world is red. England is red. London is red. From invincible to unforgettable. Go, Gunners, go. Buzz, hiss, hoot, howl, go blue, go, glow, row, trumpet. We are Gunners of London, where football is manufactured.